Digital disruption will impact every company of every size, in every industry. New market entrants, new categories, new business models, new ways of working. Are you as prepared as you think you are? Are you ready to exploit the opportunities of the digital age? Or are you at risk of getting Ubered? Winning in the digital age is all about business agility. And the key to business agility is your application portfolio. The question is, can you evolve faster than your competitors? That depends on your application development and maintenance, ADM capabilities. If you're going to be a leader and not the latest victim, you need ADM that helps you evolve quickly and continuously. You need Capgemini's ADMnext. ADMnext brings next-generation capabilities to traditional ADM, like intelligent automation for DevOps, robotic process automation, cloud models, cognitive computing, and AI, big data analytics, unified delivery through the digital factory concept. And that means it's more than a portfolio of services. It's a way to hit the accelerator on business agility. It's the catalyst for continuous evolution. ADMnext empowers you to excel at the fundamentals of ADM, enhance your ADM capabilities to become digital ready, and innovate like never before to gain new competitive advantages. With ADMnext, you see immediate changes in your IT organization's ability to deliver on business goals. Suddenly, IT acts more like a nimble startup. Developers spend more time collaborating and working on new ideas. The customer experience becomes a source of pride. Costs come down. ADMnext is the key to leading in the digital age. It's the way you accelerate your business processes, your workforce, your time to market, your ability to innovate, and your digital transformation. Capgemini can help you at every step of the way. We offer a unified, integrated portfolio of services delivered by a team of experts anywhere in the world with infinite possibilities for your business. If you look at real-world cases and real-world results, you'll see that most of our clients achieve 3 times the commercial value of traditional ADM engagements. And they realize the business objectives of digital transformation faster, more securely, at a lower cost. See how ADMnext empowers you to achieve your digital transformation goals and move to an even more important objective, continuous evolution. Find out more about ADMnext by contacting Capgemini today for details or to arrange a demonstration or proof of concept.